We have some breaking inputs coming in. We're being told that a team of the National Commission for Women is on the spot at the moment, and the team is reviewing the situation on ground. Mohit, Om can perhaps share more information with us. Visuals coming in as well on the screen. The SDM wants the authorities and others to look into the quality of water. They suspect quality of water could be a reason. 13 deaths in 20 days. And overall, if you look at the figure, 27 deaths have been reported so far. A probe has been ordered. We have some reactions coming in as well. BJP has pinned the blame on Aam Aadmi Party government and has asked where is the fund from the centre going?
सरकार ने जो अपराध किया है कि इस पूरे मामले को दबाने की कोशिश की है, उस पर हमारा रोष है। ये मौतें नहीं, ये हत्या है। इन मौतों की जिम्मेदार, इस हत्या की जिम्मेदार केजरीवाल सरकार है। उनकी लापरवाही है, उनका भ्रष्टाचार है, क्योंकि इस रिपोर्ट ये आ रही है कि कुपोषण के कारण बच्चे मर रहे हैं। सवाल तो ये है कि जो लाखों करोड़ों रुपया आशा किरण के लिए और बाकी तमाम इस तरह के केंद्रों के लिए जो पैसा सरकार दे रही है होम के लिए, वो कहाँ जा रहा है?
Now, Asha Kiran is a government-run facility in the national capital for people with mental health problems. 13 deaths in 20 days have been reported. Atishi responded to this. She said it's very shocking to hear this news from the capital city of Delhi and that such lapses will not be tolerated. In fact, the minister also said that the ACS, Additional Chief Secretary Revenue, is directed to immediately initiate a magisterial inquiry into the entire matter and also submit a report on the same within 48 hours. So, inquiry has been ordered. The BJP, meanwhile, is hitting out at the Aam Aadmi Party government, asking where is all the fund that is coming in from the centre going? Now, this is a facility that is run by the Delhi government where people with mental health problems live. In any which case, such people need special care and attention. And we are now given to understand, according to the SDM as well, probe has been ordered to look at whether there was a problem with the quality of water that was being supplied. Delhi Revenue Minister Atishi has directed the Additional Chief Secretary to submit a report now within 48 hours.